left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
I'm just cutting the trim right now. Just the line right now. Just because it's a little too long. I'm gonna go a little less long lengthwise, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nervous?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
We won't curse.
I mean, oops.
Are you joking?
There you go. And it's gonna be different lengths anyway, so what do you think? But yes, it does take off chunks. Holy cow.
Did it take off a lot?
Oh my gosh.
Ow!
Sorry.
Ow! That hurt,
Pulled
babe.
before I opened.
Do you know how to do it? Do you know
What do you mean?
to do?
I know how to do it. Not really, but what can go wrong? Stop looking!
Okay, now what?
Now we get to be a chemist. I put my gloves on before I mix this?
Yes. Yep. From this point on, you put the gloves on.
I'm going to use the used sewer gloves. Is that cool?
Oh.
So here we go.
Here we go. All right, so we're using this stuff. Again, we have no idea what we're doing, so this is the channel of probably what not to do.
What?
Just kidding. It usually works out for
I've been a
us.
hairstylist for about 13 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I know exactly.
You didn't even watch the YouTube channel on what to do.
Or,
the YouTube video.
or read the directions.
We didn't even read the directions.
No, I'm a dude.
You're gonna use these clips, right?
These clips?
Yeah, you gotta be a professional.
A clip?
Oh, it's one? They only give you one clip?
Yeah. They said you don't have that much hair.
It's true. What do you like? And then look, you can use it to part it, look like that. And you have to do each side, all the roots. I feel like you're very confident on this, but you've never done it before. I think you need to put your conceited ways in check for a minute and take this serious.
Where's my hair clip? All right, people. If you ever wanted to know how to do bleaching hair, you start at the back by the neck. You're so nervous.
All the viewers are nervous with me, trust me. Everyone, as they drive by, literally slow down, and then they kind of smirk, like smile, like, oh boy. Like they all know how this is going to turn out. And I hope that they're all wrong.
They've all had to dye their wives' hair at least once in their life.
No, no one's done this.
Come on, you're getting it on your eyebrows. What are you doing?
Is it really?
Jeez,
Is it
yes,
really?
yes.
I would be curious if anyone who's watching this has ever attempted to cut or color their wife's hair, or vice versa. Do any of you girls cut or color your husbands, or do you do your kids? Because the RV life, we're just having a really hard time finding a hair place. Everywhere we go, they're booked or they're expensive, and I'm risking, every time I'm going to a new hair salon, I'm risking someone that might not know what they're doing anyway, so might as well let you do it. Yeah, I like it to look a little frostier, icy blonde, than yellow. Yeah, than yellow blonde. So can you try to do that?
Yeah, let me get right on that. How am I supposed to control that?
Oh no, you're the professional.
That's true.
Oh my gosh, this is totally not how I look at the hairdressers. Oh, you got so much on my buzz.
I know, I told you that.
Oh my gosh.
But you want to
oh my gosh.
put this on your forehead where you want it.
Is this still recording?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Look at everybody laughing.
Look at everyone. Everyone who's driven by is laughing at us. Noelle was laughing.
All right, so now
look at all the hair you cut off. I mean, you really went to town. You really went for it.
I went for it. We're gonna go. Let's get this done.
Let's do it. You're gonna rinse my hair off with that hose?
Yeah.
With that gun?
Yeah. It's got a shower setting, and we can control this.
Does it have a shower setting?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this just gets funnier and funnier. The things you do once you start RVing, like you never think you're gonna live in a bus, and then you do. And then you never think you're gonna have your husband bleach your hair and color and like cut it, and then you do. This is nuts.
It looks pretty whiteness to me.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're
good?
I think we're time to rinse him.
Time to rinse? Better that than having my hair fall out.
Yeah, so far so good.
Okay.
All right.
Can you warm it up?
There's no hot water here on this now.
I'm gonna have cold. It's gonna be cold. Okay, how we doing?
I'd just bend over forward.
Forward?
Well, I don't know. Okay, as you notice, Jen is towel drying her hair.
We shampooed it twice. And this is what we got so far, just the bleach. It's yellowy because we haven't done the toner yet. And then I'm gonna use the purple shampoo also. But this is good because at least the roots are no longer brown. What do you guys think? How's it looking, babe? How about under it?
Oh, perfect. I did good. So we're mixing toner
Yeah, go ahead.
in this bottle with this cream and this stuff. Back to chemistry class. Okay, so I'm starting at the front, working my way back. This is going to get the yellow out.
We
Now,
hope.
I'm going to go over all of the hair, but I'm still going to try to individually get each strand of hair. So it might take a couple minutes.
I love how you're talking like this is a tutorial. Like this is amazing.
This is how to do
You're
it.
really in character.
You know, when it turned out good, you know.
You all of a sudden got a renewed confidence.
10 minutes ago, I was a little nervous.
I mean, you were sounding really negative, and then all of a sudden you got a little extra pep in your step now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the
What?
the brass is just falling out,
You liar.
and it's turning just streaked blonde,
I want it icy blonde.
icy blonde.
Now this stuff's actually stinging, which I remember, I think it does kind of sting.
That's the chemical. Oh, this is what turning purple, huh?
Is it turning purple?
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that good or bad?
shit. Is it going to stay purple?
I don't know. Should I ask
Ask who?
the lady across the street?
Is it really turning purple?
Yeah, I didn't make that up.
Well, so the last time that happened at the salon, they did a pink to it, and it turned the whole thing pink.
That was cool. But it's funny that I've been joking about purple and that.
Is it really purple?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's like
Oh boy.
more purple than the lavender farm.
I see it.
It's purple. I mean, I don't know if that's really purple. This stuff is like white. This isn't purple.
Maybe I'll Google when using toner. I mean, I didn't see purple on any of these YouTube videos. I'm just saying.
Everywhere.
Is toner supposed to look purple? Yeah, it ends up canceling out the yellow, orange, and red tones. It's
That's
important to understand color theory when toning.
I know color theory.
It's so funny though because imagine them saying, "Uh-oh, that's not supposed to happen."
But look, it says purple toner is a lifesaver when you need to get rid of those pesky yellow tones in your blonde hair.
That's what you wanted.
But using too much can cause another problem, purple hair.
Well,
Well, I'm looking at the purple hair. That'd be amazing.
see? I think we're all on the same page. And here we go, the finished product of Brad's Beauty Salon. Platinum blonde with some streaks of
Oh, they're trying to give me a high
gold
five.
and
With streaks of gold.
No roots showing.
No brown,
No brown.
but lots of purple and yellow and white.
There's no
and
purple in there.
I love it.
I see some gray and gold. You're good. The haircut looks good. What do you think? How do you like it?
I like it. It turned out a lot better than I thought. And part of me expected that when I woke up this morning, my hair would be like on my pillow and falling off my head, but it didn't. So yeah, overall, I would say you did a great job, and you're gonna keep doing my hair and get
She has a
better.
lot of faith in me, huh? And all the hair was gonna fall out and land on the pillow. So.
But no, I'm super happy. I mean, what, it took us like an hour and a half, $70, and any other time I go to the salon, what, it's like 6 hours, I swear, and
Yeah.
$300 later.
Yeah.
So, I mean, maybe it's not perfect, but I am super happy, and that's all that matters.
It's pretty perfect.
Love you.
Love you.
Thank you.
I did good.
You do always do good.